We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Okay guys, so I'm on this trail. I haven't been on this trail in a while. This is a trail that I take my little baby to, and I just kind of let her do her thing. But I wanted to come back and like show y'all. There go my car right there, y'all. Yeah, I pray for my car. Ain't nothing wrong, just pray for it. Okay, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this little trail right here that I discovered when I moved over on this side of town. This is the school I was going to. That's called State right there. So you just go up that ramp and go that way. When I ain't had no car, I used to catch the bus, and the bus would stop right there, and I would get off the bus and walk this trail and go to class. You know, just to give y'all a little backstory on me, you know. Thugging out here, baby. Okay, yeah. So we walking the trail. I haven't been on this trail in a while. Reason being is because when we were, when me and my baby was walking this trail, I had started to notice that she would get ticks. Please do not roll in that, honey. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Before you roll in some shit, and I just can't do it. Okay, but yeah, I started to notice that she would get ticks, and even with the medication I give her monthly, they would still they wouldn't actually cling on, bite and suck the blood on her. They would just be like I noticed whenever we leave the trail, there would be ticks crawling on her. They would never be actually attached to her, but they'll just be crawling on her. And I didn't like that, so we stopped coming. And then the very last time that we came, it was so many people here. I don't know what type of event or whatever it was, but this is a really secluded. A lot of people don't know about this trail. This trail is very secluded, but it was so many people here, and it kind of turned me off a little bit. But it's a little small trail. I just kind of let her, run off the leash and do her own little thing. But I just did this to kind of get a peace of mind, y'all. I've been kind of everywhere. I've been spreading myself thin with projects and stuff, and it's just been a lot. So I really wanted to bring her out here. And she been going through a lot too. We got a new puppy. Well, I got my mom a new puppy, and he is just like a ball of energy. And she needed a break, so I'm giving my baby a break. With her being an older dog, she really needed a break from the puppy. So yeah, I'm out here thugging on this trail. She having a ball. I really needed something to kind of, get my mind calibrated, because baby, you gotta be going through it. All right, but yeah, y'all, I just needed a fucking break. I want to go to the gym after this, but I guess determining how I feel after this trail, considering that I haven't walked it in a long time. However I feel after I walk this trail, which I really want to go to the gym, so I might end up going regardless. But yes. Let's go. Let's go. Excuse me, ma'am. That right there is just another entrance to the campus, basically. Yeah, anyways, okay, so this kind of, it's been such a long time since I came to this trail. This kind of like reminds me of the trip I took to Tennessee. Hold that thought. This little marking on this tree, this little yellow marking on this tree, this lets you know, it basically like lets you know where you're going so you don't get lost. That day, when there was a lot of people out here, that the very last time we came out here, and there was a lot of people out here. Somebody done put a birdhouse out here. Okay, then go with your bad. But yeah, that day it was a lot of people out here. This one guy was like actually lost, so it had to be something where like some tourists or something. It had to be some type of activity, you know, where it was basically like new people or some shit like that. Because how do you get lost out here and they like mark the trees, and it's basically like this trail is only like what, maybe 10 minutes or like a 10-minute walk. But I was gonna say that this kind of reminds me of the trip that I took to Tennessee. I did not they go another market. See, they let you know basically like where you're going, keep straight and stuff, or turn or whatever. You just gotta follow markers on a tree. So yeah, the trip that I had took in Tennessee, I did not record any of that trip. It was like a group trip or whatever. We walked up, we hiked. I hiked in some damn flip-flops. I didn't know, basically we was going to a waterfall at a national park. We was going to a waterfall at a national park. And I didn't have the right shoes on, but I still hiked up there and went to see the water. Damn, they done built some shit around this little body of water. I don't know what you call it, but that's how long it's been. Well, you just gonna walk up in these people gate like that, girl? You don't know these folks. They probably just built this. Well, they did just build this. Well, why you just... You rude. Come on. But yeah, I hiked, y'all, in some damn flip-flops. The waterfall, it was so worth it, though. It was like... It like took us like an hour. It took us like an hour to make it to the waterfall. And we going like in an incline, like up. We hiking upwards. So just imagine doing that. And then like once you get closer to the waterfall, you got these rocks. They wet, they moist. You know, you can slip and shit, hurt yourself. Thank God I didn't, but I hiked and got them flip-flops up on the incline to get to this waterfall. And I'll insert some pictures or whatever. But damn, yeah, they done cleaned this shit up. It was some like chairs or some shit out here where you could tell like the homeless people was out here living or whatever. But I guess the city done cleaned it up, because this little gate thing right here, that's how long it's been since I've been out here. This little gate thing is all the way down. All the way down. But this wasn't here. So yeah, they done cleaned it up. They must probably gonna add some more onto the trail. Book-a-book. Think about, you ready? So this is basically like the end. I don't really too much go any further than that. It might be some more trail, but this is good enough for me and my baby. It's hot anyways, and I done forgot our water in the car, so slow and easy today. But yeah, this is a cute little, it's a cute little bop if you just need to get away, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know how they say in every city there's a hidden gem, like nature trails and shit like that. I am a Libra. I am naturally like adventurous, so I have to do stuff in nature. Like, I have to. Come on. Like a trail, a trip that's that's consistent of being in nature. Like, I have to have something like that because it's soothing to me. Like Aquarius, they love the water. They have to be like close. I ain't gonna say they have to be close to water, but they have to do something with water. Like my brother, he's always had a fish tank. He loves fish, he loves the water, he loves to sit by the water and stuff like that. But I love nature. I love to travel, to be adventurous and stuff like that. So you have to, research and kind of be interested and willing to discover whatever city what your city offers you. And if you can't find nothing, then move, shit. Move. Come on, woman. Okay, y'all. I need to set this phone. Let me see if I set this phone. I don't got my mount, y'all. Let me tell y'all what's going on with my car right now. I got the AC blasting, so if y'all hear AC, I'm trying to pull my baby off. Okay. Okay. So right now, the girl trying to make some extra money, and I got my car on Turo, and I've made it to my second trip already, and it's okay. I just increased my price because the suggested price was trash. Let me just say that. The suggested price was trash. And tonight I'll be delivering my car to my the third person. So it'll be my third trip by tonight. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my schedule to where I have like a week in between my trips, because just starting off, you gotta get the hang of it and kind of learn the app inside and out type of thing. So that's currently what I'm doing. I gotta put some air in my tires. My tires need to be replaced. Overall, I think my car is in like good shape, because before I even put it on Turo, I got some repairs did. I put 5 bands in my car, so my car is in good shape. I just need some better tires, and I wouldn't mind like getting an oil change after this third trip. I'm gonna go ahead and get an oil change, but other than that, everything's going fine. Your girl, look, I said that I'm gonna get some motherfucking money. I'm trying to get this money. I'm gonna get this money because I'm trying to get up out the hood. Speaking of the hood, I just can't do it no more, y'all. Like, y'all know I live in a hood, and it's too much. So my ultimate goal is to go ahead and move. My best friend is in Houston, so we currently working some things out. Your girl gonna be in Houston this year, so y'all gonna be looking forward to that. I already know. I'm trying to debate on if I want to catch a flight or if I want to drive. I don't really want to drive, honestly, but I might not be the only person going when I do go and visit her, so I may have to compromise, but I still might catch a flight. I still might catch a flight. I don't care. I still might catch a flight. So, what else I got going on? Honestly, y'all, I'm just really trying to, like, increase my passive income. Your girl is working on a lot of things. I know I keep saying that, but trust the process, baby. Trust the process, okay? But, the ultimate goal is to create several streams of passive income and to move the fuck out of where I'm currently staying. Actually, to move the fuck out of the state of Florida. So, y'all just wish me the best of luck, and I will keep y'all posted with everything. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so yeah, we finished our little trail or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and take her back to the house, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna put some air in this tire, go to the gym, and then I'll probably clean the car out. Clean the car later out today. Clean the car out later today because my third person is coming tonight. He said his flight is gonna be landing like around 7:30. So we're gonna go from there. We're just gonna go from there. The girl is kind of like all over the place, but just know I'm getting this motherfucking money.